one. Next number is this one. So first put commas in international system after every 3 digits from last of the number. So here there is a comma at 5 and next comma is at 6. Okay, so these two places are millions places and these places are thousands and next one is hundreds place. So 75,623,562. Okay, so write down the word form, that is 75,623,562. And next number is this one, and put commas after every 3 digits from last of the number. So here we get a comma at 6 and then next at 2. So this is millions place and this is thousands place and this is hundreds place. So what is the word form here? 956,237,676. So what is the word form here? 956,237,676. And next, third sum. Write the following numbers in words in both Hindu, Arabic and international system. So you have to write, they gave a number and you have to write in both systems. So our first number is 6756327. Okay, actually we can't read this number as this one. So in Hindu Arabic system, first put commas and then write the word form. Okay, so in Hindu Arabic system we put commas after 3 digits from last and then 2 digits from last. Okay, so here there is a comma in between 6 and 3 and next 7 and 5. So what is this place? This place is lakhs place and these two places belongs to thousands and next one is hundreds. So what is the word form here? 67 lakhs 56,327. Okay, and next in international system. In international system we put commas after every 3 digits from last of the number. So we get a comma in between 6 and 3 and we get a comma in between 6 and 7. Okay, and this place is millions place and this place is thousands place and this one is hundreds place. So 6,756,327. And next number is this one. And in Indian system or Arabic system we put commas after every 3 digit and then 2 digits from last of the number. So we get a comma here in between 7 and 0 and a comma between 6 and 0 and a comma between 4 and 5. Okay, and then first of all identify the positions, place values. So 4 is in crores place, 56 is in lakhs place, 7 is in thousands and then 87. Okay, so 4 crores lakhs 7,087. And in international system we put commas after every 3 digits from last of the number. So and in between 7 and 0 there is a comma, and then after 3 digits in between 5 and 6 we put a comma, and this place is millions and this place is thousands and this is hundreds. So 45,607,000 87. So that is the word form. And next number is this one. In Arabic system, first put commas after 3 digits and then 2 digits. Okay, so I put commas at 7, at 2, and then at 0, and then at 0, and then at 5. Okay, and now this place belongs to, so which place it is? Ones, tens, hundreds, and this is thousands, this is lakhs, and these 2 digits belongs to crores, and this is new place value, that is Arab. Okay, so you can read this one as 8 Arabs, 56 crores, 7 lakhs, 7,236. And coming to international system, we put commas after every 3 digits. Okay, so from last of the number, so I put a comma in between 7 and 2, in between 0 and 7, and after 3 digits in between 8 and 5. And now identify the places. So hundreds, thousands, millions, and this one is billion. So 8 billion, 560 million, 707,236. So this is our third problem. And next, fourth one, see here, express the following numbers in other system. So you have to put commas in other system. So first they gave the number in Indian system, and you have to note or put commas in international system. So already you know in Indian system it is very important that we put commas after 3 digits and then 2 digits in Indian system, and we put commas after every 3 digits from the last of the number in international system. This is the main concept in this tabular form. So first write down the number as it is in the international system also, but put commas as in international system. So this is our fourth problem.